Welcome back to Catia Station, and today's tutorial we are going to use the Catia to make this part, and we have the sketch with proper dimensions. So let's start to Catia. First of all, if you are starting a new design, then you have to go to here start and mechanical design and select the part design. Now you can select the part name as my part 1 is this one, and I'm starting with part 2 and okay. Right now, first you have to select the plane. So for me the plane will be XY plane, that is the top plane. You can select see here the top plane is selected and go to here sketch. Right now in this sketch you have to select the center rectangle. I have selected. If you want, you can come here. This is the center rectangle. So from the origin, make a center rectangle, go to the constraint and double click on the constraints. Smart dimension, this one is of 75 mm. This one is of one time if you just click to show the dimension, then you have to again double click on it and put the dimension as 175 mm. Now you can go to the circle and just make 2 circles, one here and again one here. Now the smart dimension again, the circles are of, here you can find the 12 mm and the distance is 16 mm. So 12 mm and the distance is 16 mm. Okay, double click again and now press the 16 mm. Again this one is of 12 mm and from the center to the line is 16 mm. Now you can exit from this sketch and you can extrude it up to, you can find here the height is 6 mm. So to extrude it, you can in Catia the term used as pad, you can see here this is pad, or if you can't find on the right or the bottom, you can go to here insert and you can find here here sketch base feature and the pad. So this is going to be 6 mm. If you want, then preview and okay. Right now you have to select the right plane and sketch again. Now right, select a circle and just make a random circle. Now next is if you want, you can make one more circle here. Right now we are going to a smart dimension. This is of 50 mm. Okay. The outermost is 50 mm and the smaller one is of 25 mm, half of the first one. Next is from here to here distance is, it is 28 mm. Right, you can check it here. The maximum die is 50 and the second die is 25 and the center to the bottom distance is 28 mm. Now you can see from here to the leftmost is 32 mm. So we are going to use the line. From any point you can simply make here. Now from here, okay, escape. Now you can select the edge of the line and the horizontal line, go to the constraints and make the relation as coincidence. Next this one and press the control, select this point and constraint as coincidence. Okay. Next is select this line and the control, then this is tangent. Okay, Next is select this line, press the control and the circle and make the relation as tangent. Okay, now you can see if the line is extending, then you can make it up. Okay, one more thing, you can select the center and the origin and make the relation as vertical. If it's visible, okay, it's not showing, then no problem. Now again the dimensions, and from here to here distance is 32, and similarly for here, okay, again dimension, distance is 32 mm, right? Now we can trim the large circle, and you can find here trim. I've selected the quick trim and just click on the circle, right? Now you can select again a line and just close this sketch. Now exit from this sketch, and you can again use the pad and 9 mm. Now if you go to preview, this is going outside of the wall, so you can make the reverse direction and okay. Again select this face and sketch. Now this time select the circle and make one, and I need one more circles. Now a smart dimension, the small one is of 25 mm dia and the large one is of 50 mm dia, and the center of circle to this horizontal surface, this is 28 mm. Right, now I'm going to exit sketch, pad, and this time it's going to be 3 millimeters, preview. Okay, now you can see here it's same. Now we have fillet here, so to fillet you can find here the fillet, edge fillet, select this edge, okay, select this one. Now rotate, select this one and the 5 millimeters, okay, you can go to preview and okay. Now isometric view, I want to mirror this whole wall to the left, so you can find the mirror here. Now for mirroring element and objects to mirror, mirroring element, you have to select the exact plane and okay, right? So this is how you can make or you can model these simple geometry in the Catia V5. Or if you want to change the appearance or the color, so right click on part body and come to the properties, graphics, and change its color here. So I hope all the steps are clear to you. If you have any problem regarding the Catia V5, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to CAD Station, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.